Good morning, food lovers. Are you ready to transform your breakfast routine with some mouth-watering, high-protein vegan dishes? Let's dive into 3 savory recipes that are sure to power up your day. First up, we have the chickpea flour omelet, a TZY plant-based twist on a classic favorite. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, which provides an eggy flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, a handful of chopped spinach, salt and pepper to taste, oil for cooking. To prepare the batter in a mixing bowl, whisk together the chickpea flour, water, turmeric, black salt, baking powder, salt, and pepper until the mixture is smooth. Let it rest for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Next, fold in the diced bell peppers, onions, and spinach into the batter, ensuring an even distribution of the vegetables. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with oil. Pour half of the batter into the skillet, spreading it evenly to form a circular shape. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. Carefully flip the omelet and cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Repeat this process with the remaining batter. Transfer the omelet to a plate and serve it hot with your favorite chutney or salsa. This chickpea flour omelet is not only fluffy and flavorful, but also packed with protein to keep you satisfied all morning. Next, let's whip up a tofu scramble breakfast burrito, a hearty and filling option that's perfect for those on the go. Ingredients you will need are 1 block of firm tofu, drained and crumbled, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, half a cup of diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, whole wheat tortillas. Optional additions: avocado slices and salsa. Begin by heating the olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the crumbled tofu and cook for 2 minutes, allowing it to warm through. Sprinkle in the turmeric, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine, ensuring the tofu is evenly coated with the spices. Mix in the diced tomatoes and green onions. Cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. Place a generous amount of the tofu scramble onto a whole wheat tortilla. If desired, add avocado slices and salsa for extra creaminess and flavor. Roll up the tortilla, folding in the sides to secure the filling. Enjoy your burrito warm, either immediately or wrapped in foil for a convenient breakfast on the go. This tofu scramble breakfast burrito is a protein powerhouse that's both satisfying and portable. Lastly, we have a savory quinoa breakfast bowl, a nutrient-dense meal that's as delicious as it is nourishing. The ingredients for this recipe include 1 cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of black beans, rinsed and drained, half a cup of corn kernels, 1/4 cup of diced red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, juice of half a lime, salt and pepper to taste, sliced avocado for topping. Optional: hot sauce for an extra kick. In a large bowl, mix together the cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, red onion, and cilantro until well combined. Drizzle the mixture with lime juice and season with salt and pepper. Toss everything together to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Spoon the quinoa mixture into a serving bowl. Top it with sliced avocado and a dash of hot sauce if you prefer a bit of heat. Enjoy this hearty breakfast bowl immediately. This savory quinoa breakfast bowl is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, providing a balanced meal to start your day right. These 3 high-protein vegan breakfasts are not only savory and satisfying, but also simple to prepare. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipes. Happy cooking!